Hey everybody, this is Kelly, your marketing ninja, and I'm going to drop a bomb on you today that literally will rock your world. So those of you that follow me know I've been training and teaching a lot the last 3 months on about 3 or 4 systems that I use and my team uses to get leads and convert leads. And I also do a lot of training on how to find buyers for my listing. So I want to share with you one of the systems that I use. Now, this is Mailbox Power, which used to be called Banner Season. We're changing the name. And I'm going to show you how, as a listing agent, you can get every renter within, say, 1 to 5 miles of your listing that has a credit score of, say, 650 or 700 or higher, that has $50,000 a year income, and has been renting for 3+ years. How you can get that list and send them a high-converting postcard for as little as 37 cents. Right? So buckle up, stay with me. This is not going to be a long video, but this is one of the many reasons why I think you need to consider this program in your lead generation and conversion, because it does more than what I'm talking about today. But this alone is killer. And by the way, there's a free 14-day trial when you sign up for the gold, and you get 50 free 5x7 cards a month, which is worth $29 or $27 a month. So that literally pays for more than half of your $49 a month fee. If you will. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and go into the address book, and I want to show you, and I'll use an address to show you what I'm talking about. So as a listing agent, let's say you want to do an open house 2 weeks from now. How are you going to get people to come through your open house? So what we're going to do is we're going to hit individuals, and I want to look into, actually I'm going to do an address. So let's do this. So let's put that address in. And right now there's the address and it's going 2 miles out. So let's see what 2 miles does. Remember, I'm trying to build a list of renters that I think would be a great candidate for potentially buying this home. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of everybody but renter. And I want renters that are renting in everything, apartments, homes, whatever. Let's see what that number comes up to. I might need to adjust the geography out. So 1,600, this is a good start. So then I'm going to drop all the way to the bottom, and I'm going to ask for everybody that has a credit score of 650, and let's see what that number gives me. Now remember, these are just renters who live near my listing. And these are people that have a credit score that I can get, 638. I don't know if you know where I'm going with this, guys. And then I want everybody that has an income, did I put this down, of 50K or higher a year. And let's see what this does. Takes a little while as it's searching the records, but guys, 200, okay. So let's go back to geography. Imagine this was my listing, and I pulled a list of every renter within 2 miles of this home that has a $50,000 or higher year income, has a credit score of at least 650, have been renting, and are near this address. So they probably want to live in that area. They probably go to church, have local restaurants, maybe their kids go to school, they don't want to move out of that area. Wouldn't you agree that those 229 are people I need to invite to my open house? Now, most of these are going to be unrepresented. So what happens then if I want to buy this list? It costs me $22. Now, there are a couple things I can do with that list. I can download it as a CSV when I buy it, and I can start sending them my renter to homeowner letter. By the way, if you don't have that letter, just private message me and I'll send it to you. It is a killer lead conversion letter to get renters out of renting and into the thought process of buying. But I can also, once I own that, I can come over here to my saved projects. Now watch this, guys. I bought that list, okay? Once I own the list, I can go to my saved projects, and I can come down here to this 4x6 buyer template. Now watch this, guys. I'm going to show you what it looks like. Now remember, now I own that list of buyers near my open house. My open house is going to be 2 weekends from now, and I want to get a lot of people there. Okay, here's the card. Renting, what's in it for you? Fire, landlord, potentially own a home for less, blah, blah, blah. There's that card. Then we have this right here. Then basically the card's ready to go. And then all I have to do is I have to add it to cart, and with a push of a button, today I will be sending 229 renters inviting them. Now, I can change all of this. So this is my renter to homeowner card, right? If I want to send that to them. But let's say I don't want to do that. If I want to create a card right off the cuff and invite them to that home, okay, I'm going to leave. I literally can go into my card designer right here. I can create a card. I can come down here and create a 4x6 postcard. Now, I'm not going to do it for you on the video. That card doesn't cost me as a gold member $1. I just pay postage. It's 37 cents. So guys, if I want to send all 229 people an invite, I can literally create that card from scratch. I can upload a picture of the home, and on the front of the card, I can go ahead and put my offers. I can also say to that buyer, go ahead and private message me or go ahead and RSVP me, and I'll make sure you're entered into a drawing for a free $75 Red Lobster and dinner on me, right? I want to get them to the house. Whatever I want to put on that card, I can. But guys, I just showed you how to send every buyer with the right credit score to your listings 2 weeks in advance of an open house. And guys, you should be marketing those people to no ends to get them into your home. That's just one of the strategies we use. Stay with me, and I will definitely get you my other #1 strategy to get buyers to your open houses and to your listings. But guys, again, this is just one of 100 things I can do with Mailbox Power, formerly Banner Season. It costs me $49 a month to be a gold member, and that's where I get cards that cost me nothing. I get coffee mugs that I can design and send for $5.99. I mean, guys, the sky's the limit. But I'm going to drop you a link on here for a free 14-day trial. You literally on the trial can go ahead and do what I just showed you and take your marketing to the next level. I hope this was of value to you, and I'd love to see everybody that does this. Just message me and let me know your results. But guys, you should not lack for people coming to your open house with this one strategy. Literally $70 to send a high converting postcard to the buyers near your home. And think about it. If they're unrepresented and they make an offer and you can do both sides, you can act as a transactional. Guys, if it's a $300,000 home at 6%, you do the math. I think it's worth it. All right, I'm going to leave it at that. Look for the link, and I will see you on the next video.